Okay, so good morning, everybody. We are starting weekend chat with our weekend investors today, and with us we have Mr. Bharat Singh from Delhi.
Yes.
And we are going to ask him about his investing journey before weekend investing, what lessons he drew from there, and then once he joined weekend investing and how he found us, and what has been the experience post that and the feedback and so on and so forth. So let's start the conversation. So welcome, Bharat, and do introduce yourself and tell us more about what you've been doing.
Yes. Thanks, Alok. Thanks for the opportunity. And very glad to meet you finally, because we see you very frequently over tweets, right? You are so frequent there. Every second I see some sensible tweet coming in. So that is really good. And regarding me, I belong to Delhi, and I am working as a pre-sales consultant in Tata Consultancy Services.
Oh, fantastic.
And as a as every IT employee, everyone have an inclination towards stock market.
Yes.
Maybe that.
But TCS employees don't need to do much. They just need to hold their stock, and it keeps going up.
True. So that's the best thing we have. We can hold TCS for a long time, and definitely it's gonna give us good return. So like every employee of IT company, I started off investing, whatever whispered to my ears by my peers, whatever I see on CNBC and all these news, and whatever I see.
So how long back did your investing journey start?
Yes, that's an interesting one, Alok. So actually, my journey started very long in 2000, I guess 9 actually, when I was in school.
Okay.
And at that moment, Alok, you might remember, you won't believe also that I opened an account with one of the company which is there in Noida, and they made me sign like 50 pages.
Yes, broking account opening form.
Yes. And eventually they wiped out because of certain reasons.
Okay.
And but that was my first experience. So they used to call me up, give me tips. Saraj, ye le lo, bahut acha hai.
Standard relationship management model where the idea is to generate brokerage and make you churn every day.
Exactly. And my father was used to be very proud. Oh, my son opened a Demat account. Like he never been into stock, or nobody in the family been into stocks, because we satta and all those, the stereotype that we carry.
Correct.
So he gave me 10,000. That is how I started. I lost. I gained also. Like from 10,000, I made some 25 as well. But that's just a beginner luck. And then the actual, the journey happened. When I bought Averon, when I bought parabolic trucks.
Okay.
So this is how Alok.
Okay.
And about
so maybe
how it comes. Yeah.
So then maybe after 2008-9 you lost this. Probably 8-9 was a big crash. So 2008 probably where you lost the money, and 2009 onwards, and till about 2014 there was not so much of bull market action in the market from 10 to 14, and then once the Modi wave came, and then the new action started after that.
Exactly, Alok. So similar thing happened with me, and I lost a good amount of money then. And also I made a mistake, Alok, that I tried to be expert by myself. That okay, I'm listening to people, I'm following this news, and I tried few things, but it didn't work out. And regarding you, Alok, I started following it 2017 actually. So there was some article that happened, or some feature that some IITian is getting into this business. So obviously there is some inclination towards the credibility that you carry. But I didn't put up my money that time. So I started only following you because my past experience is, proving to be a hindrance. So that's the thing.
But it's good that you did not start in, because that article I think came in January 2018 and in Money Control, and that was a peak of small cap market. So 18 was a bad year. So it's good that if you were able to not jump right in at that point and came in later on.
Yeah. So I came in with you last year, early last year actually, in Feb something, when
just below the COVID crash, just before the COVID crash.
Yeah. Okay. So I was out of India due to some travel. So when I came back, I made my mind that yes, I need to, because something happened in that travel. So he told me that okay, the money is minting up and all those things. So okay, that's the time I will take a. So I would say that I am been and the returns actually one thing, Alok, that till this time I am just losing up the money, and the only good thing which happened to me is like I told you that I opened one Demat account as well.
Yes.
So the only good thing happened with that is I remember my PAN card number with heart, because every time I need to log in or I call them for call and trade. They ask me your PAN number. So that's the only good thing happened. By heart, I remember my PAN number now.
Okay.
And now I am like with me, my colleagues, my wife, and her family as well. When I see the things happening, and when I realize by myself that you do not need to be expert in an area, where there is no point of being expert. So let the experts take care of the things, and you work in your domain. You work IT.
Yes.
Let money parked with that.
Correct.
Expert.
So 2020 February, you invested in which strategy?
Yes. So I started off with all cap.
Okay, all cap. Very good.
All very good. And then I diversified myself, because few email exchanges happened. I was listening, following your tweets and everything. So I subscribed to ATH as well. Then when you come up with that NNF 10, right?
NNF 10, yes. Monthly rebalance, yes.
Large cap. Large cap one, that also I invested.
So that period was very good. That February, March last year period, it was very good. And anybody who came in that first 3-4 months of that would have definitely got very good returns.
Yeah. So this is what I told my wife, my colleagues, and my extended family as well, that you are into the best time with Alok right now. Yeah? So you need to hold up yourself when the worst hit you.
Correct.
So do not say "Hamara paisa ka baat," and all those things. I always share your videos, in which you are very vocal about this thing. Boss, downturn will happen.
Downturn will happen. You cannot avoid it.
You cannot avoid that. But you need to, loyal to the system and stay invested. Then the things will happen.
Correct.
So that's a very good series that you started, Alok. One more thing that I want to appreciate about yourself, because psychologically that mental barrier need to be broken and some rewiring need to happen. So those
yes, very good point actually, this one. Yeah.
So this thing is working really well, because this got into, because when I listen to your comments, whenever, like yesterday you had this chat with investor, you take up questions from Twitter and respond to them. Off and on you respond the same narrative, that was downtime is gonna happen and nobody can time that as well. But you need to believe the system and stay invested.
Correct. So good, really good to hear your experience. And now I want to ask you, in your 1.5 years or so of experience, where have you found the major pain points which we can improve? So maybe in the software of small case, or our process, or our support system, anything there which you find which can improve, which is lacking. We definitely want to work towards that.
Yeah. So Alok, the one thing best is whatever I feel like it's lacking, it get improved in the next version itself.
Okay.
So to be honest, seeing the return, seeing the transparency that you hold, see the communication that you have, that whenever we send any mail or somebody tweets some genuine issue, you respond back instantaneously. So I guess these three are paramount for an investor. Nothing else we expect. So you are a better judge of how the thing should move, what product you need to come on with. For us, these three things are there. That communication need to be there. The person with which we are trusting with our investment, our money, hard-earned money, should be trustable, transparent, and that's the thing. So I really like one more point I want to bring in. I really like when I was following you before last year, there was some policy as well that you hold up, that if you are not making return, then you
we had that service assurance program, which SEBI clamped down last year, so we had to abandon that. But that was a very beautiful program where person gets a lot of confidence that at least we are my interest is aligned with the advisor. The advisor is not making money when I am losing money. But SEBI clamped that down, and we will find other ways to reward shareholders whenever we have a downtime. So that's where we are. So really good to meet you, Bharat, and to hear about your experience and your feedback. And I think a lot of people will get encouragement from your journey, how you have been able to embrace the system and not worry about the downtrends, and how gradually you have made yourself into a weekend investor. So thank you so much for joining today, and hope to see you soon again.
Yes, pleasure all mine, Alok. Take care.
All right, thank you. Bye.